Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with weak shots, arm fatigue, or missing power on the court? Many recreational players use heavy rackets that feel hard to control during long matches. If you want a lightweight tennis racket with extra power and comfort, this one might be exactly what you need. Meet the Head T.S6 tennis racket, a lightweight, pre-strung tennis racket designed for intermediate and recreational players who want effortless power, comfort, and a larger sweet spot. The racket features a lightweight 8.9-ounce frame, making swings faster and easier. Its head-heavy balance helps generate more power with less effort. The oversized 115 square inch head creates a huge sweet spot for better forgiveness on off-center hits. Made with graphite and titanium construction for improved durability and stability. The extended 27.75-inch length adds extra reach and stronger serves. Comes pre-strung and ready to play right out of the box. The 4 3/8-inch grip size offers a comfortable hold for many adult players. Pros: excellent power and comfort. Very lightweight and arm-friendly. Large sweet spot helps improve consistency. Great for beginners moving into intermediate play. Cons: not ideal for advanced players who prefer maximum control. Oversized head can feel less precise during aggressive shots. Extended length may take time to adjust to. This racket is best for recreational, beginner to intermediate, and doubles players looking for easy power and comfort. It's also a great option for players dealing with arm fatigue or tennis elbow. At around $99, the Head T.S6 tennis racket offers strong value for players wanting a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use tennis racket without spending premium pro-level money. Number 4. Introducing the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a beginner-friendly tennis racket designed for comfort, easy power, and casual recreational play. Built with a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber construction for easier handling. Features volcanic frame technology that increases power and stability during shots. Power Strings design delivers extra responsiveness and better energy transfer. Large sweet spot helps beginners hit cleaner shots more consistently. Stop shot pads reduce vibrations for improved comfort during gameplay. The 4 3/8-inch grip provides a comfortable and secure feel. Pre-strung and ready to use straight out of the package. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly. Lightweight design makes swinging easier. Comfortable grip with reduced vibration. Great power assistance for new players. Cons: not ideal for advanced or competitive players. Less control compared to premium graphite rackets. Durability may not match higher-end professional models. This racket is perfect for beginners, casual players, and adults learning tennis for the first time. It's especially good for players who want a comfortable and budget-friendly racket for recreational matches. At just around $36.99, the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket delivers excellent value for entry-level players looking for comfort, power, and affordability in one package. Number 3. Introducing the Wilson ProStaff 97 ULV14 tennis racket, a lightweight performance tennis racket built for intermediate players who want precision, feel, and smooth control on the court. Features Wilson's iconic ProStaff design with a modern V14 upgrade. Ultra-lightweight 9.49-ounce frame allows faster swings and easier maneuverability. Built with braided graphite construction for enhanced stability and classic ProStaff feel. Braid 45 technology improves pocketing and shot precision. 97 square inch head size offers excellent control and accuracy. Pre-strung with Sensation 16 natural strings at mid-range tension for balanced comfort and playability. Perfect blend of control, touch, and lightweight performance. Pros: excellent control and shot accuracy. Lightweight frame feels quick and comfortable. Premium ProStaff feel with solid stability. Great touch for volleys and all-court play. Cons: smaller head size is less forgiving for beginners. Power level is lower compared to oversized rackets. Requires decent technique to play consistently. This racket is ideal for intermediate players, competitive recreational players, and those who prefer control-focused gameplay. It's especially great for players transitioning from beginner rackets to more advanced performance models. At around $139, the Wilson ProStaff 97 ULV14 tennis racket offers premium-level feel and control at a more accessible price than many pro-level rackets. For players wanting lightweight precision and classic ProStaff performance, it delivers strong value for the money. Number 2. Introducing the Head GeoSpeed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight, beginner-friendly tennis racket designed for easy handling, comfort, and extra power on the court. Features a lightweight 10.4-ounce frame for easier swings and better maneuverability. Built with durable titanium construction for improved stability and long-lasting performance. The 27.5-inch extended length helps generate extra reach and shot power. Headlight balance design improves control and reduces arm fatigue. Large sweet spot makes it easier for beginners to hit cleaner shots. Pre-strung and ready to play right out of the box. Comfortable 4 3/8-inch grip size fits most adult recreational players. Pros: lightweight and easy to control. Great power assistance for beginners. Comfortable feel with reduced strain on the arm. Good value for casual and recreational play. Cons: not designed for advanced competitive players. Less precision compared to premium graphite rackets. May feel slightly bulky for players who prefer smaller frames. This racket is ideal for beginners, casual adult players, and recreational tennis enthusiasts looking for comfort, forgiveness, and easy power. It's also a solid choice for players improving their basic tennis skills. At around $54.99, the Head GeoSpeed Adult Tennis Racket offers excellent value for beginners who want a lightweight, reliable, and ready-to-play tennis racket without spending too much. Number 1. Introducing the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a lightweight and affordable tennis racket designed for beginners and casual players who want easy power and comfortable gameplay. Lightweight aluminum frame makes the racket easy to swing and control. Power-focused design helps players generate stronger shots with less effort. Large sweet spot improves forgiveness on off-center hits. Stop shock pads help reduce vibrations for a more comfortable feel. Carbon fiber shaft adds extra stability and durability. Comfortable 4 1/4-inch grip size works well for many adult players. Pre-strung and ready to use straight out of the package. Pros: very affordable and beginner-friendly. Lightweight design reduces arm fatigue. Comfortable feel with decent power. Good option for casual recreational matches. Cons: not ideal for advanced or tournament-level players. Less precision compared to premium graphite rackets. Durability is more basic than higher-end models. This racket is best for beginners, casual players, and adults learning tennis for the first time. It's perfect for recreational use, practice sessions, and players looking for a budget-friendly tennis racket. At around $36.99, the Wilson Tour Slam Adult Recreational Tennis Racket delivers excellent value for entry-level players who want a lightweight, comfortable, and affordable racket without spending too much. If you want an affordable tennis racket for casual play and beginner training, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more sports gear reviews and recommendations.